Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Today is 24th June and it's Thursday today. So today we will do our question number 6, last question of the exercise of exercise 1.4. Question number 6. So there are two parts of question number 6. Part 1 is we have to find AB whole transpose is equals to B transpose A transpose. So the matrix A and B are given in the question. It's A is -1, 2. You have to write the matrices very carefully, because if you write the matrix wrongly, then you will not be able to find the answer correctly. That will be fine, because we just have to make it equal. If I'm sticking here, then it will be fine that that will be proved, the sides will be proved, but you have to see the questions correctly from the book, because if the question is wrong, then the answer will be wrong. So now this is our left hand side, this is our right hand side. First we will use left hand side. It's your choice, you can take the right side first. So we have to find AB transpose. So to find AB transpose, we will first multiply A with B. So we will multiply A with B. A is -1, 2, 3 and 0, and B is 1, -3, 2 and -5. Now we will multiply them. -1 into 1, mark the arrows. To multiply, it's your choice to mark the arrow, but it will be comfortable when you will mark the arrows. -1 into 1, 3 into -3. Now -1 into 2 plus 3 into -5. Now 2 into 1 plus 0 into -3. Now 2 into 2 plus 0 into -5. Now we will multiply it. It will be -1 minus 9, 2 plus 0, -2 minus 15, 4 plus 0. So the answer is -10, 2, 17, -17 and 4. When we take the this is the answer for AB. When we take the transpose of AB, it will be -10, -17, 2 and 4. So this is the answer for left hand side. Now we are doing our right hand side. I didn't erase the left hand side answer so that we can compare it with right hand side. Now I will solve it for the right hand side. It's B transpose and A transpose. To find the right hand side, we should take the B transpose first and A transpose first, then we will multiply the matrices. Let me write B transpose first. 1, -3, 2 and -5, and A is 1, 2, 3 and 0. Now we will take the transpose of them, so it will be 1, 2, -3 and -5. Transpose of A will be -1, 3, 2 and 0. Now we will multiply these two matrices. We will multiply A with B with B transpose with A transpose. First we will write the B transpose. It's 1, 2, -3 and -5. Then we will write -1, 3, 2 and 0. This is our A transpose. So this is our B transpose, this is our A transpose. Now we will multiply it. It will be 1 into -1 plus -3 into 0, 2 into -1 plus -5 into 0, this and this and this, 2 -1 and 3. Let me write the left hand side answer over at the corner of the board so we can compare it. Now we will multiply the other row. other column, with other column. 1 into 2, we will mark the letters. 1 into 2 plus minus 3 into 0 and 2 into minus 1 plus minus 5 into 0. So now we will multiply the terms. It's minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, minus 15. Sorry, I have did a mistake here. We have 3. So 3 is it, there will be 9. So 2 and 2 will be 2 minus 3. Here we have 0. Now 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2 and minus 5. Sorry, 0. I put 0 to be 0. It was 2, so it will be 4 plus 4. Yes, now all the multiplications correct. Now it will be minus 10, minus 17, 2 and 4. So this is our answer. This is equal to the left hand side answer. So that means left hand side is equals to right hand side root. So this was the complete solution for your exercise question number 6, exercise 1.4, part number 1. With the same method you will do question number 6, part number 2 by using the same method. Now you can, if you can see, let me show it clearly to you. This is the multiplicative identity of a matrix, that AB is equals to A and is equals to ABA when we have B as our identity. Here you can see that B is our identity matrix. So when we multiply A with our identity matrix, we have this type of multiplication rule. AB should be equals to A and AB and A should be equals to BA. Now we will do the verification of AB whole transpose is equals to B transpose and A transpose. We have already done it in question number 6, part 1. I am explaining the example to you, which is given in your book. This is your A, this is your B, this is your left hand side as what? AB whole transpose. So we will write matrix A here, then B matrix, then we will take the transpose of this whole matrix. You can take the you can find the multiplication first, then you can take the transpose too. So you don't need to write this T or transpose in the initial steps. As I have told you in this questions number 6, you can do the steps like that. So here we have multiplied A with B. This is the answer, this is the multiplication, and then we have subtracted, then we have find the transpose over here. How we will multiply it, if you want to see how we will multiply the two matrices, you can see the lecture related to multiplication of two matrices or multiplication of matrices, which is uploaded on the YouTube. Okay, now this is the answer of AB. Then we have taken the transpose, we have changed the rows into column, and this row into column 0 and 6, this row into column 2 and 0. Now we have right hand side. Our right hand side is B transpose, A transpose. First we will find the A transpose, or you can find the B transpose first, it's your choice. So I used to find the B transpose first because we have to write the B transpose first, the matrix of the B transpose first. That's why I always used to find B transpose first, then A transpose. So you can it's your choice that you are finding A transpose first or B transpose first. So they have taken the A transpose and B transpose, then we have multiplied here B transpose with A. So it is necessary to write the B transpose first, then A transpose, because it's given that you have to write A B then first, then A. So you have multiplied A B transpose with A. Then when after multiplying A transpose with B, so after multiplying B transpose with A, So after multiplying B transpose with A, we have this term, and we don't need to take the transpose again. This will be, the answer will be equal to left hand side, so we can also write it as like this: AB whole transpose is equals to B transpose A transpose, or we can write it as left hand side is equals to right hand side. Proved. So that's how we will solve the example. That's how I have told you about the solution of part 1. Part 2 you have to do it by yourself, so the steps will be the same. Okay, now Allah Hafiz.